Hey guys! Welcome to the Pi for All channel. My name is Nicholas, and in this video, I will show you how to create the function to select Excel file. With the Visual Studio Code open, let's create a method called openFile. Let's create a variable called self.file that will receive the Excel file directory. Now let's fill the text box with file path. Now let's call the method by the open button. Let's run a test run. The test worked. In the next videos we will continue to create the methods to make connections between Python and SAP system. Thanks for watching, see you.